They move on like you meant nothing to them, like you never meant anything, like you never even existed. But that is actually just a mirage, and it is very different to what you may think it is. Because the narcissist never forgets you. They remember everything that you were, everything that you provided to them, and they never forget that. And in fact, they look for that in someone else. They search for you in another person, but they can never find anyone who can measure up, because you are as good as it gets for them. They took you for granted, and then they just left you like you never meant anything to them. But then they go out into the world and they realize that not everyone is like you. Not everyone actually cares about them. And in fact, most people are only with them because they have money or because they're physically attractive. And other than that, people couldn't give a hoot about them. And after some time, they do begin to realize that, as they're surrounded by other people who are just as fake as they are. But by that point, it's already too late.